Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make tandoori chicken burger with tandoori mayonnaise. Take a bowl. Add 300 grams chicken, 3 tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Leave it for 1 hour. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Add marinated chicken. Cook it on medium flame. When bubbles start popping, cover it with the lid. Now cooking it for 5 minutes with the lid. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and give it a good stir. Repeat the process. Now cook it until the water dries out. After 15 minutes, our chicken is completely cooked. You can check it by breaking it with spoon. Now put onion cut in ring shape. Now put the foil. Put the piece of coal, which is hot already. Pour oil on hot coal and immediately cover it. Cover it for 2 minutes or until smoke disappears. Now remove the coal and foil. Take a bun, apply mayonnaise. Put some cabbage, onion slices, smoked tandoori botis, Now spread tandoori mayonnaise. You can add mayon of your own choice. Add some more cabbage.